Well, it's been a real honor and privilege for me these last 29 years to get to know and work with and partner with hundreds and hundreds of ag lenders throughout the country. Now, I gotta say, one of my all-time favorites are the folks at American Farm Mortgage. They do very innovative things and they truly have farmers at heart. Now, we caught up with them for a visit at the recent Sunbelt Ag Expo.
American Farm Mortgage is owned by Allegiance Bank, which is a small holding company and small bank out of Southern Illinois, originally owned by a potato farmer. And then American Farm Mortgage is an entity of that works in pretty much all 50 states throughout the United States and does mortgages for farmland.
And how does this provide value?
We provide value in several ways, I think. First off, we've come out to your place, we look at your farm, and we see what's important to you. We try to And we look at everything that you're doing and try and fix the issues that you have, try to improve your cash flow. And we actually, my boss and several other people in our company are farmers themselves. So they understand the climate that farmers are in, and I can call on them if I have questions about typical markets and that kind of thing.
And what should farmers be thinking about now, as you mentioned, these tough economic times?
Farmers need to be planning for the future. I think they need to worry about interest rates and how that can affect them going forward. They also need to worry about commodity prices and have a good marketing strategy so they can maximize profits with what's out there now and have a good recognition of what's going on.
I guess specifically, what should they be asking their lenders?
I think what they should not be afraid of their lenders. They should ask them for help.
Okay.
They need, if a farmer comes in with a budget, then that shows us that you're actually working on your farm, or your farm's not working you. And your budget doesn't have to be perfect, but let us know what you think the issues are, and let's work through that together. And just be honest and upfront. And I think that'll make the banker feel a lot better about trying to help you in the future.
And when folks walk into the booth here, what do you tell them? How can American Farm help them?
I think we can help you in several ways. We can pull in our knowledge all across the United States. We have people in Hawaii, we have people in Oregon that do orchards, coffee. We're not just your row crop farmers. We kind of see a little bit of everything and our knowledge, and we have the ability to go out there and provide long-term financing rather than 3- and 5-year calls that some other people do.
And what has some of the feedback been?
Feedback has been very good. Everything I've done has been at a place where we've been able to improve cash flow for people. We've been able to solve their issues as much as possible and put them in a better place. And then we come out and actually have an annual visit with them to make sure they're on budget or on par and see what we need to change going forward.
And do you find it at a farm show like this, when you can actually talk with farmers, they're getting their ideas across to you?
I think sometimes at these shows, sometimes people are a little more guarded with what information they do give you. But I think if you make a good impression here and sell them on some of the things we also have, like we have the Chicago Board of Trade on our website, so you can check commodities every day. We're out there trying to think of those things. We have mobile deposit that allows farmers who are out in the country, they don't have to come to town to do their deposits. We send a team out there to do all that, show them how to use it to help them save time so they can be out in the fields or doing what they need to do. I think if you can impress upon them some of that here, you get your foot in the door to really help them solve any harder problems in the future.
Thanks for being a part of the Machinery Pete Spotlight video.